In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Canva design. Canva makes it incredibly easy to manage and store your creative projects, but understanding the saving process can really enhance your workflow and give you peace of mind knowing that your work is secure. So let's dive right in and take a closer look at how to effortlessly save your Canva designs. First up, one of the great things about Canva is its auto save feature. As you work on your design, every change you make is automatically saved. This means you don't have to worry about losing progress if your computer crashes or if you accidentally close your browser window. It's a bit like having your own personal assistant working in the background, ensuring everything is kept up to date. To double check that your work is being saved, you can glance at the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a status indicator that will confirm that all your changes have been saved. This is a wonderful feature because it means you can focus your energy on being creative without having to constantly hit a save button or remember to save manually. Now, while the autosave feature is great for keeping track of all the tweaks you make while working, you'll likely want to download your finished design at some point. Canva has made this process just as painless. When you're ready, simply navigate to the top right of the Canva interface. You'll find a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on it. This action opens up a menu with several options, but we're focused on downloading the design onto your device. Next, in the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select the download option. This action brings up a pop-up with various settings that allow you to tailor your download according to your specific needs. Here you can choose the file type such as JPG, PNG or PDF, ensuring your design is optimized for the medium you're using, be it print or digital. Once you've decided on the best file type for your needs, you'll click on the download button again to initiate the download process. Canva will then start preparing your design for download, and within moments your work will be saved to your device. It is essential to always remember where you save your file so you can easily locate it later. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your Canva design is now safely saved and downloaded. This process will help keep your designs organized and easily accessible for any project you may have in the future. Thanks to Canva's user-friendly interface and those convenient features, managing your digital creations has never been easier. Keep creating and saving with confidence.